Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Big shout out and thank you to all of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. If you're new, smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because I love doing these videos on a daily basis, documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you guys do that. Let's get straight into it. Little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt, all right? So please be careful out there. You can lose money like that. And that is the reason why I only invest what I can afford to lose. All right, formalities are out of the way now. Just to have a quick look at the community tab, these are what you need to be in the crypto market. I'm not going to say what they are. Everyone knows, but you need them of steel. That is a requirement. Anyways, that's pretty funny. Fun fact, 4.5% of the entire global population are invested into crypto. 4.5%. Let that percentage sink into everyone's mind. This is how early we are in the crypto space. Anyway, let's go to CoinSpot. There is a referral link below for CoinSpot. For those of you who are new to crypto in Australia, please feel free to use that. You can get $10 in Bitcoin to get you started. Please do your own research. All these prices are in Australian dollars. I'm not going to spend too much time on this. Bitcoin is sitting at 56,000 Australian dollars right now, which is really, really nice. It has held quite steadily over the last couple of days, which is good. Obviously, Ethereum is sitting at 3,900. XRP is at $1.11, and I'm so bullish on XRP. It's crazy. My other one that I'm talking about today is Stellar XLM at 26 cents right now. Excuse me. Waves as well. I'm still investing in Waves. I'm using my trading indicator, and I'll show you that as well. I'm also trading a new coin that I just literally bought 20 minutes ago, and I'm trading that on Binance. We'll get into that a second using that indicator. The other one I'm talking about today is obviously XDC, because that is up 0.98% to 7 cents. That is still incredibly undervalued. I keep telling everyone XDC is going to be an incredible project. Now, if we go to the news, there's a lot here on the news. Obviously today, Bored Ape Yacht Club have released their own coin, Ape. It is down 54%. A lot of people have taken profits from this. They got, if you were holding one of those Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs, you would be eligible to receive the token for free. Now, if I go to the floor price of Bored Ape Yacht Club, I'm not big on NFTs, but the floor price is at 84 Ethereum. That is ridiculous. Now, just to put things in perspective of 84 Ethereum, let me just scroll up here in Australian prices, $3,914 by 84. So 328,000 Australian dollars is the floor price for one of those NFTs, like probably the base one. That's just ridiculous. That's crazy. So again, if you're holding one of these, you got access to this token, and obviously today it was pumping up 700%. 700%. That is ridiculous. Had you have put $500 into that, and before it pumped, you would be up nearly $3,500 right now, which is crazy. So you basically 3 times your money in 24 hours. That is insane. That is crypto. So other ones here: Cake, Cello, Mina, Aave, MKR, AVAX as well. ANC's down, Gala's down, the GRT's down, the Graph. What else we got here? OKB, Leo, MKR, and that's pretty much it. But again, there's still some incredible buying opportunities. Now let's go to the news. And some other things here. BlockchainCenter.net. I use this. Obviously, we are still in an accumulation phase with Bitcoin and basically crypto in general. So it's really good to see that. And you can see on this rainbow chart here, and this is a cool chart to look at. Basically here, still cheap. That is where Bitcoin is at the moment. And really nice right there, guys. So again, dollar cost averaging into cryptocurrencies is the way to go. Now, if you go to... I'll go to this one here, guys. This is another chart on blockchaincenter.net. You can see the top performing altcoins in the last 90 days. You've got Osmo, Leo, Waves, Atom, Luna, Near Protocol, Rune, FTT, XMR, I believe is Monero, Frax, and XRP. Finally, it's up there in the last 90 days. That is because of all the positive news coming out of this case. If you go to cryptometer.io in the last hour, money has been flowing into Beth from Ethereum and GMT. Now, GMT is the one that I'm just literally jumped in a trade on Binance. I am trading that. The volume is ridiculous, and the percentage is like 50% in the last 24 hours, if not 4%, I believe I last checked before, in the last hour. So I'm just trying to see what I can throw in there. I threw in some USD Tether to try it out. And again, if you go to the last day, let's have a look here. You've got GMT as well, which is pumping Waves and Cello. So I am still holding my position in Waves. And on the indicator, it hasn't yet obviously, put up a sell signal. So it's still in an upward movement, which is really nice. So we'll get into that in a second. Obviously, you've got here Ripple to give out $1 billion XRP in developer grants. So that is incredible to grow the ledger and everything to do with Ripple and XRP. It's awesome. The enterprise payment technology company plans to give out 1 billion XRP in grants for developers. The newly announced grant is an extension of the company's XRP Ledger grants program, which launched last year. The developer grant would be focused on encouraging open source projects on the XRP Ledger built for enterprise remittance assistance. That's incredible. It's going to be a game changer for banks and transferring money across the world. Top developer leaves Ripple, and here's why. Obviously, this is not major news, but again, Matt Hamilton, Ripple's Director and Developer Relations, has left the company. Obviously, a tough year for him personally and his wife's mental health issues. That's very important. That's a massive issue in this day and age. A lot of stress and anxiety on people. So all the best to him. Obviously, he stepped down here focusing on family after realizing he's spinning too many plates. Now, that happens. Everyone does this every day and juggles. So just take a break and take a moment and, take a break from everything if you need to. That's very important, everyone. Mental health is very important. So check this out here. Fed hikes interest rates. Ripple partner in Wells Fargo is set to work on a replacement for Swift. 100 million XRP grabbed by whale. Crypto News Digest. So this is incredible as well. We all came across this as well. The Bank of England just raised interest rates as well by 25 basis points. And obviously, Australia is going to soon follow suit after the United States. And the rest of the world will soon raise interest rates to ease inflation. Because at the moment, I saw a Twitter post last night from a fuel station in Beverly Hills in California. I believe it was over $10 for a gallon of fuel, which is ridiculous. Here in Australia, the prices of fuel have not slowed down either. They are still continuing to go up. So again, all the governments around the world and banks are going to be raising interest rates here to calm the inflation because it's getting out of control. There could be a massive recession on the cards. I've seen a lot of YouTubers mention that, just putting it out there that could be a possibility. And me personally, I think cryptos are going to be, the ones that are going to be coming out victorious here because, a lot of people are putting money into Bitcoin and Ethereum and all these other cryptos as a hedge against this inflation and a possible recession as well. Just putting it out there. What else we got here? And now this is the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Obviously, the token was absolutely going parabolic. I just showed you the floor price of that. That is crazy. Cardano among top 5 fastest developed assets per sentiment, guys. Again, Cardano, I think, is incredibly undervalued right now and a good opportunity to dollar cost average into. So Cardano remains in the top 5 fastest developed assets in the last 30 days. In terms of development activities, Sentiment here reports that Uniswap, Solana, and Cardano have been the fastest developer over the last 30 days. With 386 notable GitHub submissions per day from its developers, Cardano clinched the 3rd place in the 30-day development activity. And again, I think Cardano in general is very underrated. I know a lot of people don't like it. I'm not sure why, but I think Cardano is going to be a massive, massive project in the future. Some other news here about Cardano as well. Price starts uptrend as Trezor hardware wallet adds support for Ethereum killer. That's incredible as well. That's obviously the storage. So Cardano price started an uptrend amidst broader crypto market gains in response to the Federal Reserve's monetary policy projections. Trezor hardware wallet recently added support for Cardano, fueling a bullish narrative for the altcoin among investors. Analysts have predicted a drop in Cardano price before posting a 20% rally. That is incredible as well. So keep an eye on Cardano. I dollar cost average into it, obviously building up my position. Now, some other bullish news as well. Check this out here. Metabloqs announces launch of new XDC blockchain-based metaverse project. How cool is that? Xinfin is going to have a metaverse project, guys. That's incredible. So the term metaverse was all the rage in 2021. It's going to be the same this year, especially come the end of the year when Apple releases its metaverse headset. That's pretty cool. But the dust has cleared. Several outstanding initiatives emerge. Metabloqs is one of the newer names in the Web3 sector here. With the help of individuals, all walks of life, Metabloqs is creating an entirely new metaverse. Recently, Switzerland-based Metabloqs has announced the debut of its metaverse project, where users can do a variety of things, including owning virtual land, constructing businesses on the metaverse, renting their properties, visiting museums, parties, concerts, cinemas, and more. That is incredible. Just putting it out there. I've been very bullish on XDC. And again, if they start releasing this now, that's going to be massive for the project. Really, really cool. And you've got Stellar XLM, some other news updates here. 1.67%, 76% outperforms the crypto market on Thursday. Again, I'm very bullish on XLM. Again, for those of you who don't know what Stellar XLM is, I'm just going to quickly read this. Stellar is a decentralized protocol, open source code to transfer digital currency to fiat money domestically and across borders. Again, it's in the same league as Ripple, XDC, IOTA, Algorand, Quant. All these are going for the same thing, guys. So again, the Stellar blockchain's cryptocurrency is called Lumen, and the token trades under the symbol XLM. Stellar is one of the best performing altcoins in the last 5 years, with a market cap of just over $1 billion. So again, I think Stellar XLM is going to be, excuse me, I'm losing my voice today. I don't know why, it's Friday. I think it's going to be an incredible project for the future as well. But that's just one to add to the list. Now, if we go to Twitter today, SEC attempts to block judge's order in Ripple lawsuit that requires revealing email conversations, from 2018. Oh, sorry, I need to fill that up with water. Anyway, again, I really think the SEC is trying to stop as much as, all this information coming out here in this court case, because they are going to lose. They have some serious internal documents here, guys, and communications they do not want getting out to the judge. Straight up. They are going to lose this court case. It's my opinion. And they just keep throwing up roadblock after roadblock after roadblock, because they know that they're in trouble here in this case. Putting it out there. That's my opinion. Also, I've just seen some comments as well. How many XRP should you hold? That is entirely up to you and your budget, and that's a decision you will have to make. I can't give financial advice, but I mean, so long as you're in the game, that is all that matters. XRP is going to be an absolute monster of a project, a crypto investment, whatever you want to call it. It is going to be a game changer for the financial world. It is built to handle trillions of dollars a year in transactions globally. So just let that sink in for a moment. And, any price prediction out there, it's all estimates and people's opinions. Anything is possible in crypto. Straight up, anything is possible. I don't care, what people say. I've seen, Bitcoin go from hundreds of dollars to 40,000. I've seen cryptos go from like 5 zeros up to like 10 cents. It's just ridiculous. So I don't let anything, go past me. I think it's, it's open slather pretty much with crypto. So anything is possible. Just putting it out there. Now, XRP and Ripple investors must watch this. Go watch this video. We are close to having global coverage of on-demand liquidity, which is super exciting. So this is really bullish news. 100 million XRP was purchased by a whale. That's a lot of XRP. Bitcoin used for money laundering as far as below that fiat currency US Treasury Department. Bitcoin used for money laundering. Well, I hope you don't do that, because that's crazy stuff right there. Now, that is the Metaverse update there from Xinfin, so keep an eye on that one as well. And this is the project here, Metabloqs. So Metabloqs is a place for you to engage in really interesting activities with people from all over the world, hold work meetings, and have fun with new friends and rate them and earn tokens. There you go here, guys. So that's Paris right now. That's pretty cool. How good is that? So keep an eye on that. It's really interesting. So you've got here XRP news update in James K. Phelan. Suit filed against Coinbase alleging offer and sale of unregistered securities and listing 79 different tokens, including XRP. Thanks, Nico, whatever that number is. That's crazy. For the tip, 261-page complaint. Have not read it yet. So Coinbase, now a target of the SEC for selling unregistered securities. Wow, that's going to be interesting. We've got Michael Saylor. We are lucky to have Bitcoin. Yes, I agree. And that's what you need to be in the crypto market. Self-explanatory. What else we got here, guys? This is a just an article here in Japanese. I can't read Japanese, so there is a translated version here saying that notice regarding the implementation year-end shareholder benefits of the crypto virtual currency XRP and stock newspaper web version. We are pleased to inform you that today we have decided to use the cryptographic tentative XRP shares as shown below. mainly for support and love and for your understanding of the group's business. In addition, in fact, we have taken this stock and implemented it in the middle of the year. We will also offer the main benefit in heaven. I don't know if that translation's correct, but that's pretty cool. Again, and other than that, Elon Musk working on incredible things right now. So I just retweeted that. The master plan, could it involve something to do with further cryptocurrencies? I don't know. Keep an eye on that. And David Schwartz, a lot of people think that my tweets are coded messages or jokes, but that is not true. Every single tweet means exactly and precisely what it says, except for this one. So again, he's a funny bloke, that one. That's pretty much it for that. Let's go to TradingView quickly. I actually want to check if my indicator's working on GMT. Let me have a look here. If I go GMT USDT on Binance, this is what I'm actually trading right now. Let's bring that up. Okay, so it is still on the hourly chart. Still a buy, which is really nice there, guys. And that is in Australian dollars. US dollars right now, 79 cents USD. So again, just trading it, seeing how it goes. I've still got my position open on waves. And if I go to my watch list, add waves, you can see right here, it is pumping right now on the hourly chart, which is really nice. Really nice to see that green candle right there. And I believe I'm still getting into technical analysis, but again, the wick above is people taking profits. So just bearing that in mind as well. We'll see how waves goes. But guys, this is crazy. It is up like 200% in the last 30 days, in the last few days, which is ridiculous. Waves is incredible in terms of a gainer right now. Just putting it out there. Been absolutely ridiculous. So again, this signal and indicator has been really nice. Again, strong buy signal right there. Really good, guys. So I'm using that at the moment. It's been really good. Now, what else we got here, guys? Let's go to Lunar Crush right now. PokerStarter, Phantom, Elron, Waves is up at number 4. So I'm trading that. The Graph, Basic Attention Token, Link, Kaber Network, don't know what that is, Convex Finance, Trust Wallet Token, IOTX, Origin Protocol. And that's pretty much it for Lunar Crush. Great app to look for trending coins. Let's go into Coin market cap right now. Today's price, $1.8 trillion in market cap, $77 billion in volume. BTC and Ethereum up there as well. And here's the Bored Ape coin right here. I know a lot of people tried to get into this as well, like got wrecked because they bought the wrong coin. So always check if you're doing this stuff. In the last hour, it's up 16%. 24 hours, it's down 54%. Pretty crazy stuff, 700%. Which is ridiculous. I mean, had you put, again, $500 in here, you'd be sitting on a pretty penny right now. Pancake Swap, Sallow, Arweave, Avalanche. That's pretty much it. And my portfolio right now, I'm just going to have a quick flick through this. All right, here is my portfolio today. Bitcoin sitting at $40,000 right now. It is holding quite nicely, guys. Again, it's been just trending sideways for the last couple of days. I'm not really worried about that. XRP's at 79 cents right now. Incredible buying opportunity. Cardano is at 83 cents right now. Still very cheap. You've got Dogecoin as well. Shiba Inu, Matic, Near Protocol, Tron, Stellar, Mana, Hedera, Sandbox, VeChain, Phantom, Theta, BitTorrent, The Graph, Gala, Harmony One, Neo, Amp, Theta Fuel, Rose, Hollow, XDC as well. I think we're going to see some pretty bullish stuff coming out now because of the Metaverse project. Anchor, Ecomi, Seacoin, Ravane, Nervos Network, Telcoin, Digibyte, Winlink, Superfarm, MetaHero, XYO. I'm very bullish on that one. Reserve Rights, UFO Gaming, Constellation DAG, Reef. DeFi is going to make a big comeback this year. VThor, Proton XPR, Electronium, Veracity, Alien Worlds, TLM, Kin, Star Atlas, Gas I get paid from holding Neo, Acropolis, Ubix Network, Olympus DAO I think is a rug pull, Pipple, just a gamble. That is pretty much it for today's update, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good Friday. I hope you are doing well. Let's talk in the comments, any other projects, and are you looking at GMT, by the way, because I'm trading that now on Binance, all right? Stay safe. Have a good day, everyone. Peace. Bye.